Hello everyone, welcome to the cooking series by Roman Cuisine. I am going to prepare the healthiest and protein-rich mixed dal idli today. Let's see what ingredients we need all together. Measure out each dal according to 1/4 cup. After giving this dal mixture a few washings, let it soak for about 7 to 8 hours. Grind the entire mixture to a fine paste after 7 to 8 hours. Use very little amount of water only if necessary. Once the entire grinding is done, beat the mixture by hand or bitter in a same direction. It will help to get the mixture light in weight and your idlis will become more soft and fluffy. Keep the batter to ferment for around 6 to 7 hours. Here I had to separate the small portion of batter into another bowl. You can see how beautifully it's fermented. Next, add a small amount of water, roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons, and combine. Add a pinch of salt, and here I am also using Eno. Take a idli pot, add a glass of water at the bottom, and bring it to boil with a covered lid. Till the time the water is boiling, grease the idli plates with oil and start filling plates one by one. Once water starts boiling, place the plates inside the idli pot. Cover with a lid. Keep a gas flame between medium to high and let it cook for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, keep gas flame on low for 5 more minutes and turn off the flame. Take the plates out from the pot and let it cool down before you remove idlis from it. And this is how you made for yourself a super healthy mixed dal idlis. Serve it with a sambar or a green coconut chutney. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe and let us know how the recipes are turning out for you in comment section. Thank you.